Hey Miami, it's Huang with Hands-On Therapy Services. I've got my top 3 picks of things that you could be doing this summer if you didn't have any shoulder problems. We are in the thick of summer right now. It is hot, hot, hot. My number 1 pick is saltwater living. We are just surrounded by the beach. You can go boating, and those things require, I don't know about you, but they require me to carry a lot of stuff. I like to go out there with my cooler. I like to have my drinks and my snacks, and if you have kids like I do, I am lugging all of their stuff with me as well. So one of my recommendations is if you can consolidate all your stuff into a cart, that's what I do, and just push it or pull it along to help save your shoulders. So my second pick is swimming. We are surrounded by pools, whether you're swimming at the beach, in the ocean, or you're swimming in a pool. It is hot, and that is a great way to stay active and be active and get your exercise while staying cool. You can do all sorts of swimming styles, like the freestyle, but that's gonna bother your shoulder the most if you have shoulder issues. So one of the things that I recommend to my current clients is if they want to swim, they can start trying to do some gentle breaststrokes. Okay, so number 1, beach. Number 2, swimming. My third pick is getting out there and doing some kind of outdoor activity. One of my favorite things to do is kayak, and that gets you a great workout, whether you've got your own kayak or you're going somewhere and you're renting it, which is the easiest thing to do if you have shoulder problems. You don't want to be lugging those heavy kayaks. Just go somewhere. They could put it out in the water for you, and tandem is even better, because if your shoulder is bothering you, it's gonna be kind of tiring to go out by yourself. If you have someone, you could do a little bit, get some activity going, and then ask your partner to, take you along the rest of the way. So are you somebody who's having some shoulder issues and it's kind of getting in the way of you being as active as you want? Leave me a comment below. I'm going to be showing you some tips and stretches in my next video.